So we're asked to kind of show how the cube root of 7 is the same as 7 raised to the third power. Well, what you need to know is that when you have the cube root of something, if you cube it, it should equal the base, right? So if I take the cube root of a smiley face, that'll give me something, but then if I cube it, it'll give me something else, right? So what you're left with, you should be able to get the base. So one thing that I could try is I could take the same, I could say 7 raised to the 1/3, and if I cube it, then that will give me 7 to the 1/3 times 7 to the 1/3 times 7 to the 1/3. And then in the next line, what do? Well, I would say 7 raised to the 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. What's that? Well, 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 is 3/3. Right, so that's a 1, right? So in my next line, that would be 7 to the first power, which is just 7. And that's how you would prove that. It's counterintuitive, because you're starting with one thing and you're getting another thing, but it's based on this property up here, this right here. In other words, this is the same as this, right? Does that make sense? All right, does somebody in the back want to get the lights?